Amendment matter number 2 in the name of Senator Sharon Keogan. The need for the Minister for Local Government, Housing and Heritage to make a statement on whether climate or weather modification operations have taken place in Irish airspace. Senator Keogan, the floor is yours and you have 4 minutes.
Thank you very much, Seanad Éireann, and congratulations, Minister Chambers, on your elevation as Deputy Leader of Fianna Fáil. It's great to see you taking over in that role, and I wish you every success in the growing of your party. On the 3rd of August 2023, the European Commission published a paper, this paper here, on the solar radiation modification, SRM, a type of climate engineering in which sunlight is reflected back to our space to offset human-caused climate changes. It states SRM research in the EU is limited. Some projects focusing on the implications and risks of engineering solar radiation have been supported by EU funds, focusing on the modelling of implications and the risk, engineering solar radiation. So has climate modification operations taken place in Ireland airspace? At the moment we have very ambitious climate targets. The Greens under Eamon Ryan have missed our targets despite the high cost to the taxpayer. So I want to note that the EU published this position paper a month after the US did. This strategy is being implemented in other countries, and I just want to know what we are now doing. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Senator. Aras.
Look, and appreciate both of your kind words, and I'm here taking this on behalf of the Taoiseach. I think you submitted the item towards, and I appreciate you giving the government the opportunity to provide an update on this matter. Solar radiation modification, or SRM, is the intentional large-scale intervention in the Earth's climatic system attempting to reduce the influence of global warming. The aim of SRM is to artificially reduce the amount of solar radiation absorbed by the Earth. The latest assessment report from the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, or the IPCC, discusses solar radiation modification in Volume 1, Chapter 4. In particular, the executive summary of the Chapter 4 mentions solar radiation modification could offset some of the effects of anthropogenic warming on global and regional climate, but there will be substantial residual and overcompensating climate change at the regional scale and seasonal time scale, and there is low confidence in our understanding of the climate response to SRM specifically at the regional scale. And to answer your question, Met Éireann confirms that it has not conducted any climate or weather modification programmes and is not aware of any of such activities in Irish airspace.
Thanks, Minister. Senator Keogan.
Thank you very much, and I'm glad you've clarified that, because I think each and every one of us get emails daily on this particular issue. But I do realise that there's a 3-year project involving UCL researchers that universities or research institutes here in Ireland and from Finland, Germany, the UK, Italy, France and Netherlands and Poland are taking place. It's called the Co-Create project. So they're obviously engaged in this issue. So it is great to see that the European funding has been made available to investigate how to govern this radiation modification research. So, you know, there is work to be done on this. I think there is investigations going on at this moment in time within Europe, which Ireland are very much at the forefront of, and I welcome that too. But I'm glad you've clarified that this morning in relation to our airspace.
Yes, Senator, final comment from the Minister.
Thank you. Yep, and I said I won't repeat the clarification, but just to say Met Éireann will continue to monitor this science as it matures, and will continue to work with the IPCC and others to ensure that the latest climate science is made available in Ireland. And thank you for raising this matter.